Sister, you come dey cry. Why you want cry? The move just talk truth now. Make we just talk truth. Why you want cry? Why? Wetin happen? Not be you do yourself. For you to carry only two asoebi enter your husband house. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back again to this platform. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are fine and keeping safe as well. So if you are coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is a Nigerian YouTuber who based in Faenza, Italy. So please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. So today's video I will be talking about a certain post which I saw on Instagram and I found it so interesting. So I said let me bring it and deliberate and discuss about it with you guys. So if you have interest in this video, keep on watching. We'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. As I've said before, that there's this certain post which I saw on Instagram and I found it so interesting, so I decided to come and discuss it with you guys. Okay, so if you see me looking down, I'm definitely looking at my phone. I'll be reading from my phone. I will put the caption on the screen for you guys to see what I'm talking about. Okay, let me read. It said, my guy worked as a cleaner in the US, sent 5 million to her wife in Nigeria to start a project. That's good. His wife used the money to sow a seed in her church. My guy has filed for a divorce. To me, it was a harsh decision. After all, she gave the money to God. What will you do if she is your wife?
Nigeria, top to bottom. Top to bottom.
This question is directed to every one of us. What will you do if she is your wife? To the men mostly. What will you do if she is your wife? You are working as a cleaner in the US and you send down 5 million naira for your wife to invest on a house project. But she went ahead and used the money to sow a seed. As a man, what will you do? And the man has filed for a divorce and his friend found it, so it was harsh decision. But if you can leave your own opinion in the comment section down below, I'll be leaving my opinion on this video. Okay, so guys, I know as far that he gave the money to God, to the house of God. Bible said 10% of your income. 10%. I don't know, women of these days, we women, some pastors have brainwashed us to the extent we can sow our father's house as a seed. You know, there was a story that a man sold his father's house as a seed in the church without his father knowing. That story traced that time for a very long time. Okay, but how could you? Working as a cleaner in Europe is very difficult and is a very dirty job. And speaking for myself, or you can leave your own opinion, please don't come for me, don't come and judge me. Yes, I live here. I work too. I've do that cleaning work. I've done it. I know how hard it is. It's very difficult. I can say I've done it. He was as a cleaner in the US, send you 5 million naira. Put it together 5 million. Do you think that 5 million is 1 month salary or 2 months salary? It takes time. That man derive himself from many things just to put that money together and send that to you. You went ahead and used the money to pay God to sow a seed in your church. Even God will be saying that in the heaven 5% he want. He said that 5 million. I wish you give 10% where God wants. I don't think there will be problem. Why are we like this? Why are some women so brainwashed? So the man came back and he wants a divorce. I don't blame the man if you want a divorce, because some men will think you have connection with the pastor. Is you combine together to dupe him of the money. You did not just give the money to the church. You combine yourself together to dupe him of the money that he has been working for all these years in US. My sisters, and this bring to some family back home. Someone will send you work hard morning and night. You will not eat on your dining table. You can't even sit down to eat. You always eat your food while standing. You will work and put those money together. You will sacrifice a lot to put those money together and send it down to you in Africa. You will went ahead and destroy the money and scramble the money for nothing. Do you think it's easy to put money together? Madam, you're all too much now. 5 million naira, you go sow seed. Why don't you sow a seed of, let's say, 500,000 from that money and use the rest to start that house project for your husband? At least the man will say, okay, at least he starts the house project for him. He did not just give everything to the church. That will be fine. That will be okay. But you went ahead and give everything to the church. That is wrong. I find it so uncomfortable, and it's very, very wrong thing to do. Very, very wrong. Some people, I know someone will come for me here and say, after all, he give the money to the, yes, he give the money to the church. God wants 10%. 10%. If home they shop food for your belly, you reason now. Think am. Do you know how long it took that man to put that money together? Do you know how all the pain he went through? All the hunger? All the sacrifice? Just to put that money together. After then, you sow 5 million naira. When you know they say me, that madam, please. If this man is filing for a divorce, I don't blame him at all. Because maybe I've convinced himself that you and the pastor have one thing going on between you guys. That's why you want to dupe him of that money so that you can go and stay with the pastor. That's it. Normal men will think of that. Because if you don't have any connection, if you don't have anything with that man of God, or if you have not been brainwashed, I'm not sure saying a normal eye. If you have not been brainwashed, well, no, some people have been brainwashed in a church that even if the pastor tell them to go and bring God, to go and bring their father house, they can easily do it. It's like that. I'm not blaming that man for filing for that divorce, okay? Alright, my people, let's move on to the next one. The next one say, that one I talk to. This one say, let me read it. Say, some ladies are just something else. She is 29, yet she wants a very large wedding. But won't bring a dime. Your man told you there is a life after wedding, but no, she wants 20 asoebi girls and bill on the man. The man woke up overwhelmed, and call off the wedding. Sister, you come dey cry. Why you want cry? The move just talk truth now. Make we just talk truth. Why you want cry? Why? Wetin happen? No be you do yourself. For you to carry only 2 asoebi enter your husband house. Because there is marriage after wedding. There is life after wedding. That is where some ladies are getting it wrong. They believe is that those beautiful wedding dress. That is not the marriage. That is just one day something. The marriage is a lifetime. Something you have to live with. Let not deceive ourselves. Say, oh, the man shouldn't have called off the wedding. The money did not come. A dime did not even come out from your own pocket. You did not even contribute a dime, and then you want this. Ladies, please. At the age of 29, you should have known how to make decisions that will favor you in the future. You are no longer a child. You know the Vicky God. Both them, you know they finish. Both them they everywhere. How can you? 29 years old woman, you can't make decision for yourself. You want 20 asoebi girls. You don't even have a time to contribute to the wedding, but you want 20 asoebi girls. Now, ladies, please, if anybody around you is making such mistake, advise them right. Please put some sense, because it's not normal. 20 asoebi girls, wetin happen? At least marriage is for both family. You, the lady contributes, the man contributes, but only the thing wey be say me I know I get problem with. I know say me I can't use my money marry my husband. I don't agree. Some people are doing it, but as for me, it's against my tradition. And my money cannot be bigger than the man own. Madam, oh God, now you want to marry me? No, me want to marry you. So your money should be bigger. Your money should be bigger than my own. I will only just fetch. That is what I will do. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Okay, see you all in our next video. Bye.